Hello viewers, welcome to Pharma Job Vacancy Odisha. Viewers, today we have vacancies for fresher. Today we have vacancies for at least 6 months of experience having in the pharmaceutical sector or more. So without wasting our time, start the video. So the first company is Altius Biogenics Private Limited. This company having 13 years of market experience in pharmaceutical sector. They are also doing good in Odisha market also. The vacant job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known, but the vacant locations are Bhubaneswar, Baleswar, Anugul, and Berhampur. For these four locations, recruitment is going on. At least having 6 months of experience in pharmaceutical sector, and qualification is required minimum graduation, and age criteria is below 26 years. The fresh graduates they are asking for interview. So beside this, you have to drop your update CV to Odisha RSM at the rate lts.co.in, or you can contact him 97786 55520 is the results manager Ajay Naik. Next is Win Medicare Private Limited. This company is also very huge and very good company to work on. The job role is medical representative and division is Betadine. Betadine is a product mainly. So it is a very huge volume, huge market for Betadine and the very well-known name in the pharmaceutical sector. The division is brand have deal Betadine. Segment is not known, but the vacant locations are Bhubaneswar, Anugul, and Berhampur. 3 headquarters are vacant for this company. And experience and freshers both can apply for this post, and but the qualification required BSc or B Pharma. Only BSc and B Pharma people can apply for this post, and age criteria is below 25 years. You have to drop your update CV to chandan4940.wmpl@gmail.com. Contact detail is not available. Next is Indie Pharma Private Limited. It is also a medium-sized pharmaceutical company, but having pan-India presence. So the job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known. Location is Jajpur. At least having 6 months of experience in pharmaceutical sector in same headquarter, and qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to bratikanta@yahoo.com. Contact detail is not available. Next company is SS Pharmaceuticals. It is also a medium-sized company in Odisha. The job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known. Vacant location is Cuttack. At least having 6 months of experience in pharmaceutical sector to apply for this company and for Cuttack headquarter, and qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to call 8144369408. It is the concerned person mobile number. There you can get information about the interview. Next is Mankind Pharma. Earlier also I have informed about the vacancy of Mankind Pharma in different headquarter. This is for the another division and different headquarter. Mankind Pharma is the top 5 pharmaceutical company in India. Okay. The job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known, but the vacant location is Bhubaneswar. At least having 6 months of experience in pharmaceutical sector can apply for this post, and graduation is the minimum qualification required, and age criteria is below 25 years. You have to drop your update CV to dmisra.bkd@gmail.com, or you can contact him 9439843681 is the contact number of concerned person, and you have to call between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. And next company is Abbott Healthcare Private Limited. It is also MNC house. So if you get the opportunity, it will be a very good thing. So the job role is medical representative, but the vacancy only for the female candidate. Division segment is not known, but the location is Bhubaneswar. At least having 1 year of experience in pharmaceutical sector or pharmaceutical product, dealing with the pharmaceutical products, and qualification required graduate, and age criteria is below 25 years. You have to drop your update CV to p.k.paramanik@gmail.com, or you can contact him directly 9583225247 is the concerned person mobile number. Next company is DKT India. It is also a multinational company. The job role is medical representative, but the division you have to deal OTC. OTC kind is Eno, the Hajmola, that Crocin, Vicks. These are comes under the OTC product. These are the example. I don't have any exact idea what are the products of this company. So these are the kind of OTC products. So the location is Cuttack. At least having 6 months of experience in pharmaceutical sector in Cuttack headquarter, and the qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 30 years. You have to drop your update CV to abani.pradhan@dktindia.org, or manoj.sahu@dktindia.org. You can contact also 986104444 or 79787804449. Next is Force India Private Limited. It is also a very good company to work on and having presence in the pan India presence. The job role is medical representative, but the division is segment is not known. Location is Rourkela, and freshers can apply for this post. Okay, but the qualification is required graduation in BSc. Age criteria is below 25 years. You have to drop your update CV to Vibhuti Bhushan Das 89@gmail.com. This is the concerned person mail ID. If you are got shortlisted for this role, then they will call you back. Okay, the contact details is not available. The next company is Lloyd Healthcare Private Limited. It is also a medium-sized company having good presence in Odisha market, but the division is vacant. The segment you have to deal with the ortho and gynecology products. The job role is medical representative and location is Cuttack. At least having 2 years of experience in pharmaceutical sector in same headquarter, and the qualification required graduation at any stream. Age criteria is below 30 years. You have to drop your update CV to chandan.patnaik@lloydhealthcare.org, or you can contact him directly 9082821512. Okay. So these are the two vacancies. So maximum vacancies are for at least having 6 months of experience, market experience in pharmaceutical sector, and couple of vacancies for freshers also. I hope it will help you to grab your chance in pharmaceutical sector. So if you find my videos informative, then please subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues. So thank you. Share this video to your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on latest vacancies. Thank you.